Hello there, Karan here, and in this video we are going to talk about the box function that I have created. So without delay, let's talk about it. So here you can see in the preview that it will create these kinds of boxes on the CMD console. So like a little bit like a graphical interface on the character user interface like CMD. So it will help you to create these kind of structures quickly. So I have prepared a test file here, and if you double click on the file, you see that it is from the badteam.org. I haven't changed much, so it is an old project. The tutorials were not available, so that is why I'm deciding to create some tutorials on them. So here you can see these kind of boxes are now possible with a simple command. You do not need to tackle with the ASCII code of each and every special character. You can just call it by a simple command, tell the dimensions of the box, and it will create the box. So let's see how it works. You can see here we have nothing, so I'll show you why it is like that. So first thing is, let's open it in Notepad++. And now you can see if I open that again, here you can see that we have 4 visible boxes and one invisible box. Invisible in a sense, its color is matching exactly with the background color of the CMD, so that is why it is kind of invisible. And here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. We can create 5 styles of boxes. These are the styles. So the basic syntax is like you can say, we do box, we call the box function, we tell the initial coordinates from where it needs to start, x2 and y2, like x and y starting from 2 and 2. Then we need to tell the finishing coordinates. These are not actually coordinates, these are like width and height. So when you tell the plugin width and height, it automatically detects the ending coordinates. So you say start from this x and y, and create 10 width and 20 height, and then these are the special features. If you want, you can enable them. Otherwise, tell the color and the style in which you want to print the box. So for example, let's print it in a red color. I will say CA. Let's try CA. So all the characters on the thing will have green color, and background will be red. So let's recall the patch file. Now you can see the background is red, but there is no character on it because the style is 0, so no character on it. Still a box. And this is a single line box, style 1. Style 2 is double lined box. You can see, if you go carefully near, you can see it's double lined. And this one is single edges but double top and bottom. This one is single double edges but single top and bottom. So yeah, you can use any style of box that you want, and you can keep the data inside it according to your need of the program. So yeah, that is all. Basically it uses Batbox by Darkbatcher, and this is the code. If you want to quickly have a look at the code, I can show you the code as well. As you can see, this is version 4, and yeah, these are the parameters: x coordinates, y coordinate, height, width, and we also have a separator option. You can use that, you can try that out, it's good to explore. And the background element, if you want the background to be covered with some special character instead of spaces, blank spaces, then you can use that. If you specify minus, then it will keep the backgrounds empty. So next is the color, as you know, and then the style of the box. And there is the last option as well, to save the variable. So you can also save the output to a single variable. Like you can call the box function 5 times, and then as you can see, if I will reload the test file, you will see the box will load one by one. Please note that. You see 1 2 3 4 5. This is the pattern in which they are getting loaded. But in case if you want it to be faster, like loading all the box in one instance, you can use Batbox in that case. And how you can do that is simply you will assign a variable here, let's say A and B and C. When you assign a special variable, it will not print the box, note that. And then later you can say Batbox, and then you can say percentage A, percentage B. Like you need to then call them together because it is getting executed by Batbox, so you need Batbox. You need to manually call it, but now as you can see, all of them will be printed at once. So I hope this will work. I'm trying it for the first time again. Awesome. So you can see here the speed difference. So the function generates all the things and saves them in a variable, and then when it's time to load on the screen, you load it quickly with a single command. And that is why I like Batbox. It makes things very fast. So yeah, that is pretty much all. The Bat team is no longer supported, and the new platform is batchman.com. I invite you to visit the new platform and give it your love as well. Show your contribution in the platform, and let's create something great together. So you can visit that. You will get the link in the description. Please consider subscribing, consider commenting, and thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.